Properties of Air quiz. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. True or false? Air has mass. True or false? Number 2. The balloon balance experiment showed evidence that air has weight or does not have weight. Number 3. Check all that apply. Air has mass because it has weight, it takes up space, creates a force, or none of the above. Number 4. The amount of mass in a given volume is called air pressure or density. Number 5. The result of the weight of a column of air pushing down on a surface is called air pressure or density. Number 6. The two properties used to measure air are time and place, color and smell, or density and air pressure. Number 7. Figures A and B represent models of air molecules. What type of air is shown in A? Hot or cold? Number 8. Figures A and B represent models of air molecules. What type of air is shown in B? Hot or cold? Number 9. The image is a model showing what cold air molecules look like. Cold air is dense, tightly packed, heavy, and sinks down towards the earth. What type of air pressure does cold air create? High pressure, low pressure, or medium pressure? Number 10. This model shows warm air molecules. Warm air is spread out, less dense, light, and rises up in the atmosphere. What type of air pressure does warm air create? High pressure, low pressure, or medium pressure? Number 11. The instrument used to measure air pressure is called a thermometer, hydrometer, or a barometer. Number 12. Identify the type of barometer in the image shown here. Mercury barometer, aneroid barometer, or a Venus barometer. Number 13. Identify the type of barometer in the image shown here. Mercury barometer, aneroid barometer, or a Venus barometer.